Hello there. Welcome to my channel Wildlife and Travel with Kamulika. This short video talks about regurgitation behavior seen in the Asian koel. The Asian koel, one of the songsters of the bird kingdom, has a unique feeding behavior, regurgitation. While looking out of my window one morning, I saw the female of an Asian koel perched on the tree outside. Its neck muscles were puffed up and out popped a red seed from its mouth, which it dropped into the forest below. Curious about this behavior, I observed longer, and within a few seconds, it repeated the same behavior. It puffed up its neck and out popped a seed from its mouth that it dropped to the ground. I learned later that this is called regurgitation and considered myself lucky to have been able to capture it on camera. While ingesting the fruit and defecating the seed is a common feeding behavior of most birds, in case of the koel, it swallows the fruit whole and later regurgitates it and expels the indigestible seed. Seed dispersal is vital for the regeneration of the forest. And regurgitation by birds like the Asian koel continue to play a major role in seed dispersion that in turn supports plant survival and health of our forest ecosystem. Thanks for watching. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe.